Good evening, my great people. I value you and you are such a great asset to Eureka channel, A Moment with Rukwaru. I'm hoping that you have been enjoying my previous videos. So today, I want us to look at, to interrogate the traits of someone with true integrity. Somebody with integrity. Integrity is something you do when nobody is seeing you. That is integrity. Now, what are the signs that somebody has got high levels of integrity? One is the quality of being honest. Being a very strong person, very honest, trustworthy, and kind. So this person, the person who has got integrity, will never be dishonest. This person does not know even white lies. To him, being honest is a part and parcel of his personality. It doesn't matter which condition he's in. It doesn't matter the price the person has to pay. But a person of integrity, high moral integrity, will always be keen to be truthful. Yes. Secondly, a person of integrity will put others' needs above their own. They are not individualistic and they are not after being praised. They don't tell people, they don't do other things in the society to be praised or to be told they are good people, but it is something which they cherish. They put others' needs above themselves and it is a joy, not expecting any credit. A person of integrity also is ready to help help others in need, giving service. Then another issue is giving others the benefit of doubt. A person of integrity will not get on drawing conclusions. If you tell that person something, they are not simply going to conclude this person is cheating you. But the person of integrity will listen, will interrogate, and will give that person the benefit of doubt. They don't always think that people are just bad. It's a society of liars and devils, but they also believe that there can be angels in the midst of devils. Now, the other point is they never take advantage of other people. Person of integrity will not try to benefit from you. You know, there are people who are advantage takers. They want to get this from you. They want to get any advantage from you so that they benefit. So a person of integrity will not be keen just to get this from you, but they will be very different. They don't want to take advantage of others. Then a person of integrity, they don't try to hide over disagreement. They don't try to put their point across. They just simply want to listen to the other person. They are good listeners. They don't want to cut you short. They want to give you time. And then you express your point. And the person of integrity also, they know when something is hurting someone. They are able to have intrigues. They have got gut feelings. They know when they are annoying someone. And so when they look at the body language, when they also sense that your voice are changed, they are bound to change, and because they will not be keen to hurt you, but they would like you to be happy. So they know when something is not okay, and they withdraw. Then the person of integrity also believe others. Not that they are foolish, but they believe others. They don't want to take that whatever everybody is telling you is a lie. Then another thing, a person of integrity, they are humble people. They are not arrogant. They don't want to show off. It doesn't matter if they have achieved so much. It doesn't matter if they are from high class. It doesn't matter. A person of integrity, they are humble people. They are not proud. They are also kind, and they also do good to other people. Thank you very much. I hope you can interrogate yourself and find out if these traits are in you, and if they are not, you can be able to inculcate them. Thank you very much. It's your family therapist, Muteru Kwaru. Yes. Welcome, and I hope next time, those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would encourage you so that the YouTube channel will be ready, will be able to alert you immediately I upload my video. Thank you for those who have subscribed. It's a great thumb up. Thank you.